Hello everyone, in this video we're going to speak about what a broker is. As we discussed in previous videos, a broker is someone you have to go through to purchase or sell a stock. When you want to buy or sell a stock, you'll have to phone your broker and tell him what stock you want to purchase, and he'll have to go see if another broker's customer wants to sell that stock, and if your prices match, you guys may trade with one another. Initially, if you wanted to acquire stocks, you had to contact your broker through mail or with the introduction of the telephone over the phone. By phone, you'd contact your broker and he'd locate your counterpart. When brokers grew increasingly busy, they employed floor brokers. So they recruited another individual who would go out on the floor of the exchange run and shout at the top of their lungs, "I want to purchase 100 shares of, let's say, Google for $100 under $2. These were the floor brokers who were acting on behalf of clients to acquire shares, and if another person who wished to sell at the same price matched them, there would be an execution and you would of your stock. Back then, it took a long time to complete a transaction, whether you wanted to purchase or sell a stock. It's still the same structure, but it's gotten much faster as it's become more automated, so you can now input your orders for what you want to purchase in your computer and then send them immediately to the exchange where your broker will receive them. Brokers no longer have to be on the floor since there is a matching system, a computer on the exchange that gets all the orders automatically, and if there is another order that matches with it, the executions happen instantly. You still have to go to your broker. Nowadays, you may build a demat or trading account on your smartphone, and from there, you can contact your broker via their app and transmit your order. The Indian Stock Exchange now has around 3,000 stockbrokers. Soon, we will create a comparison video of the various brokers' apps so that you can get a good impression of the various brokerage accounts. And you can select the best broker for you as per your needs and requirement. Thank you so much for watching our channel. We really appreciate it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you like this video, and you can also check out our previous videos, links for those videos are in the description. We release new videos every week, so be sure to keep watching. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.